Students, I have seen all your answers. Now we will make a grammar copy and we will write chapter 1 in it. Okay, I will also provide pic of this notes which will make it easier for you all to write. Okay, but it is important that you should understand what I have written in it. So here I am going to explain one by one what I have written. Okay, so first of all you have to write CW at the top of your copy, and then you have to put the date. Today's date is 2nd of July 2020. Okay, and then the chapter 1, the sentence. Okay, now you will write sentence over here and then the definition of the sentence in front of this. Okay, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Already I have told you in my previous video what's the meaning of sentence. A sentence is a group of words. A sentence is a collection of words. Means when you say this is a sentence, you will see there are present different words. 1 word, 2 word, 3 word. These words make a complete sense and we will call it sentence. Okay, so here I have written a sentence is a group of words. एक sentence ढेर सारे शब्दों का ग्रुप होता है that makes complete sense, जो कि complete sense देता है. Now example, this is my room. यह मेरा कमरा है. My room is neat and tidy. मेरा रूम साफ सुथरा है. I always keep my things at their place. What is this? Their, not there. Okay. I always, मैं हमेशा, keep my things, रखता हूँ अपने चीज़ों को at their place, उनके जगहों पर. Now you have to write points to remember. To form a sentence, first one, to form a sentence, all the words should be written in a proper order. Whenever you are forming a sentence, you should keep in your mind that all the words which you all are using to make a sentence, that all the words should be written in a proper order. That words should be in a proper order. This is the first point you have to remember. Now the second point, a sentence should begin with a capital letter. Whenever you are forming any sentence, you should keep this in your mind that those sentences like this, these all the sentences, if you see, they are starting with a capital letters. Okay, now the third point, a sentence should end with a full stop. Whenever you are writing a sentence, that sentence should end with a full stop like this. After room you can see full stop mark. Okay, tidy you can see full stop marks. After place you can see full stop marks. Okay, so whenever you are ending any sentence, you have to put full stop. Okay, or question mark. If that sentence is asking question, you will mark this question mark. Okay, or an exclamation mark like this. Now exercise which I have given you to do, here present the solution of that exercise. You have to write this in your copy. Okay, because many of your students are not having book. If you are having book, you can do it in your books also, but if you people are not having book, you can write this exercise in your copy. Tick against the group of words that form a sentence. You have to mark tick against those groups of words that are forming a sentence. How can we know this is a sentence? If this is following all these 3 points. Okay, and you have to mark the cross which do not, cross the ones which do not, और आपको क्रॉस का मार्क लगाना है उनके सामने जो कि सेंटेंस नहीं बना रहे. फर्स्ट वन, कम एंड सिट हियर, आओ और यहाँ बैठो. इज दिस अ सेंटेंस? इज दिस इज फॉर्मिंग as in a proper order? Can you see all those words are written in a proper order? Come and sit here. Yes. Now can you see here, the sentence is starting with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Yes, so this is a correct sentence. Now if we see the second one, one give ball me. Okay, एक दो ball मुझे. Is this a sentence? No, because it is not conveying a proper meaning, so we can't say this is a sentence. Okay, we have to mark cross. Just check it what you people have done. Okay, now our rainbow has 7 colors. और रेनबो, एक इंद्रधनुष में 7 कलर्स होते हैं. इज दिस फॉर्मिंग अ सेंस? क्या इसमें कोई सेंस आ रहा है? इज दिस स्टार्टिंग विद अ कैपिटल लेटर एंड एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप? यस. सो दिस सेंटेंस इज फॉलोइंग all these 3 points, then we call this is a sentence. Now next see the fourth one. रेन हैवी सनलाइट. बारिश भारी, सनलाइट सूरज की रोशनी है, सूरज का प्रकाश. क्या इससे कोई मतलब निकल रहा है? नो. सो वी विल मार्क क्रॉस ओवर हियर. नाउ द फिफ्थ वन, शो मी योर बुक. शो मी, दिखाओ मुझे, योर बुक, अपनी किताब, मुझे अपनी किताब दिखाओ. क्या इससे कोई मतलब निकल रहा है? यस. So this is a sentence. I go for a morning walk every day. मैं जाता हूँ for a morning walk, यानी कि morning walk के लिए every day, प्रतिदिन. इससे भी सेंस निकल रहा है, तो ये सेंटेंस है. I wrote letters to my friends. मैंने लिखा पत्र अपने दोस्तों को. इससे भी सेंस निकल रहा है, इसलिए ये भी एक सेंटेंस है. टुडे इज़ माई बर्थडे. आज है मेरा जन्मदिन. इससे भी सेंस निकल रहा है, कंप्लीट सेंस, इसलिए ये भी सेंटेंस है. नाउ आई लाइक टू ईट चॉकलेट्स. मुझे चॉकलेट्स खाना पसंद है. इससे भी एक मीनिंग निकल रही है, एक सेंस इसमें भी मिल रहा है, कंप्लीट सेंस. सो ये भी एक सेंटेंस है. आई इन्वाइटेड माई फ्रेंड्स टू द पार्टी. मैंने इन्वाइट किया अपने दोस्तों को पार्टी में. मेरे दोस्तों को मैंने पार्टी में इन्वाइट किया. तो इससे भी सेंस निकल रहा है, इसलिए ये भी सेंटेंस है. ओपन द विंडो. विंडो को खोलो. इससे भी सेंस निकल रहा है, इसलिए ये भी सेंटेंस है. सिट डाउन. बैठ जाओ. ये भी एक सेंटेंस है. पेन माई ब्लू इज़. कलम मेरी ब्लू है. ये जो सेंटेंस है, ये जम्बल्ड वर्ड, पूरा ये जम्बल्ड फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ है, इससे कोई मीनिंग नहीं निकल रही है. अगर इस जगह पे ऐसा लिखा होता माई पेन इज़ ब्लू, तो उसकी कोई मीनिंग निकलती, लेकिन इस सेंटेंस की कोई मीनिंग नहीं निकल रही है, इसीलिए ये सेंटेंस नहीं है. इज़ द बेबी स्लीपिंग. क्या बच्चा सो रहा है? इसकी भी मीनिंग निकल रही है. और एंड दिस क्वेश्चन एंड दिस सेंटेंस इज आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन, देयरफॉर हियर यू कैन से क्वेश्चन, हियर यू कैन सी क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, this is also starting with a capital letter and ends with a question mark, and this is also conveying a sense, complete sense. Okay, and this is also written in a proper order, so this is a sentence. Not walk in the sun. मत टहलो सूरज में. Here is the sentence is senseless. There is no any complete sense, so this is not a sentence. Okay, so here we have done exercise 1. Now in the next class we will move towards the exercise number 2. Okay, so not walk in the sun. This is not a sentence, so we will mark cross over here. So in the next video we will do exercise 2 Now I am providing you pic. Just write all these things in your grammar copy, okay, and send me the pic what you have written in your grammar copy.